like brought the hammer down on the value. We're giving them over 3,000 channels, impeccable quality, and just tons of foreign language channels, all the movie channels included. I mean, all the HBO, Showtime, Cinemax, Epic, Starz, all the sports you can handle. I mean, you know, all the NFL channels, all the ESPNs, all the Major League Baseball, all the hockey, all the basketball, all the European sports, all the UK channels, Canadian channels, the Latino channels, all the kids' channels that there are, a lot of the pay-per-views, UFC. I mean, you name it, it's in there. Even your local channels, if you're in the US, Canada, UK, and so forth. Now,